I look like a troll, but what's up? Good afternoon. This month's theme is gold digger. Okay, we're gonna open this up. And everything is like a golden color, which is kind of really nice, but whatever. The first thing I see here are these Luxie Luminous Eye Set brushes. There's 4 of them. These are $21. I'm not going to read the description. I'm going to try to open these. This is what I'm going to try to do. The packaging is actually super cute though. Like, it's got like this gold gradient type. I don't know. These were made in China, but were designed in California. And they're impossible to open. I just finished binge watching The Good Place, and I'm depressed because the 3rd season is not yet finished, nor on Netflix. Okie dokie. Here we go. Oh, these are so pretty. Okay, I got... Oh my god. Okie dokie. Here we go. I'm gonna throw that away. So these are the brushes. They are gold and glittery, and I love it. They're so small. These are eye brushes. Oh, they have names. We've got a mini flat angled brush, a mini round brush, a mini angled brush, and a mini tapered brush. Okay, that explains why they're so small. They're mini. Oh, they're so soft. Oh, they're so cute. Love that. Then the next thing, if I can speak proper English, are these Fair Galaxy Gold tweezers. It's just, they're dual-ended tweezers for like, yeah, they're tweezers. I mean, they're $12, but oh my gosh, why is everything in this thing so, oh, well, that, yep, never mind. Oh, they're gold too! I mean, I know it said they were gold, but look! I've never had dual-ended tweezers. Oh, these are cool, but kind of weird. Like a Z. This Ace Butte, but it's got a weird thing over the top of these, so, okay. It's the Grandoise palette. 4 shimmer shades, 4 mattes. That's such a weird price. $24.99. It's got bubble wrap. Unpoppable bubble wrap. Okay, that's cool. The packaging is actually really, really cute. Just okay. And so, and there's the thing that falls out. No mirror. That kind of sucks. But this is like, that's cute. It smells kind of chemically. I can smell that right off the bat, but that's whatever. Oh yes, and they have shade names on them. I hate when they have this sheet with the shade names because it's just really inconvenient. Okay, next is the most expensive thing. It is this Color Effects Glitter Drops, the color Nova. These are $44. I might have bought the same color a little while ago, and I'm really hoping I didn't, because that would suck so bad. Oh, crap. No, I don't have these! Okay, I was about to get super upset. I don't have these! Okay, we're gonna swatch them now. No, wait. We'll wait to swatch them. Oof. Okay. Okay, and then last and least, yeah, third least, these I'm not even gonna try. Makeup brush cleaner. $12. Apparently it's made from natural orange peel and gentle cleansers. And I think it just says, ooh, kinda does not smell like oranges. Okie dokie. Spread it lightly onto any brush hair and gently wipe on a paper towel. Use sparingly so as to not soak brush hair. For deeper cleansing, work cleanser into brush hair and rinse in cool water only. Squeeze excess water and lay brush flat to dry. Well, I'm just gonna, I guess we'll try this first. How does this, it smells like alcohol, sort of. That's not pleasant. And then the paper towel, I don't have a paper towel, however, I have a makeup wipe that's dry. So. Did that cleanse my brush? I don't know. I have absolutely no idea. Okay, and then we're gonna do our face look with these. So I'm gonna start out with this Color Effects drops. I'm gonna swatch them. I don't know if this is gonna work on my skin tone. I can't get a good lighting. That's even worse. Okay. Anyway, it's I can't function. That's cool. They're really pretty though. I'm gonna try it on my face. I really don't know if it'll blend in though, and I'm kind of upset about it. Oh yeah, that's... I might use this as an eyeshadow then. You can see how dark it is compared to my skin, but... I'm gonna try to blend it in, and then it won't blend in, so... I think these might have blended in a little. Yeah, if you do it kind of sparsely, then I don't think you can really tell that it's gold and I am porcelain. That is honestly so beautiful though. So, yeah. I'm shooketh. Next, you can't really go wrong with tweezers. So, okay. Now we're gonna use those brushes and this palette together, and I'm gonna swatch these. Oh my god. She's pigmented. Oof. I'm gonna swatch the... Okay, so from top to bottom, we have jasmine, myrtle, rose, and primrose. It looks like primrose. It's definitely not primrose, but whatever. Then we have clove, cinnamon, patchouli, I don't know, and poppy. These are named after flowers. Here's a small swatch on my hand. Yeah. Ow, crap. Okay. Let's see. I'm gonna start out by putting clove. Okay, this looks like it's gonna have a lot of fallout. These are such small brushes. I'm putting clove right in my crease with the Luxie 131 brush. Then I'm gonna take this Luxie 121. Kind of put it in the cinnamon color, I think, and drop it. That's cool. And also put that in the crease to kind of just deepen it. Oh boy. These brushes are hard to work with. I'm not gonna lie, because they're so small. I feel like, I don't know, they're not very good for blending, I guess. But whatever, we're gonna make it work. Actually, we might not be able to, so anyway. I'm just gonna take a totally different brush. This is the Real Techniques something. I don't know, it looks like this. I'm gonna take Poppy. Get all the fall out on there. And dab it on the outer corner area. And then glide it on. Yeah, I'm gonna leave it, not blend it out yet. Just apply it for the time being. Okay, then I'm going to go back with the 121, wipe it in my eyeshadow thingy, and then go along the edges of this color to blend it out, make it less harsh. I'm gonna take Myrtle and this, which one do I want to use? Okay, yeah. I'm gonna take the 111 and put Myrtle on the inner part of the lid. And then stick Jasmine right in the inner corner there. And Bravo. And I'm going to take the last one, the 141. Yeah. And then take Cinnamon and the lower lash line. And then put Poppy right underneath slash on top of it. And kind of clean up the edges. Make a fake wing almost and fix the bottom. Okay, I'm gonna put on some mascara and some lipstick. I have the perfect color, and then I'll be right back. Okay, we're back. So, final thoughts. I give this box an 80% because I'll probably never use that spray. However, the rest of it, pretty good, not gonna lie. The lipstick I put on was Vampira, I don't know, from Kat Von D, bless you. And then the 8 Cosmetics Superhero Mascara. I'm pretty sure I got both of those on my last box. Those are pretty good. So that's this box. I do have some of my wish items coming in the mail slowly but surely, so that video will be up before you know it. That's pretty much it for me. Leave a like if you enjoyed this video, leave a comment if you have any more ideas, and subscribe if you want to see this face again. Until next time, peace out, Girl Scouts.